everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about two actors from Durban Gen and Uzalo. Simosiptai Mkhize, who plays good driver at Nkunzi's Pennant Beaters on Uzalo, and Sifiso Sibia, who plays Bab'Gumede, a paramedic on Durban Gen, left many people on social media assuming they are related somehow because of how they look alike. But the truth of the matter is that they are not related in any way. Sifiso Sibia, who plays Bab'Gumede, said, "We are not relatives, but we are friends and industry brothers. I respect his craft and he respects mine. He is one of my favorite actors on Uzalo." So guys, they are not related at all. They are just colleagues, nothing more. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.